Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm the owner of Speech Quest in Jersey City. Today I'd like to talk with you about what speech therapy really is. I know that there are a lot of rumors and there's a lot of stigma attached to speech therapy, and as a speech therapist of 8 years, 9 years actually, and as a business owner of a speech therapy clinic, I'd like to speak with you really candidly about what we actually do, at least at Speech Quest. So here at Speech Quest, we provide communication services, and that's really what speech therapy is. It's a way to help kids learn how to communicate. Now, who are those kids who we're helping? Wide variety of kids. I think that the stigma is that we only help children with very, very severe developmental delays, and they have to qualify, and there are hoops to jump through and qualifying factors. That's not all. We help kids who are child actors who want to speak better when they're auditioning. We help pageant girls who want to do better during the interview portions of pageants. We help kids who are just your typical kid and their parent feels like they are not expressive enough or that they don't have enough vocabulary. So we help those kids too. We also help kids with autism on the spectrum, mild to severe, kids with diagnoses that we are really unfamiliar with, things that we haven't really heard of before, but it affects their communication. None of these kids came to us because they were impaired so badly and needed our help, and every single kid who comes to us is like that. That's not the case. So if that's what you're thinking about speech therapy, I really encourage you to do a little research. Even if you just watch this video as your research, going to speech therapy doesn't indicate that there is something wrong with your child. I liken it to going to the doctor. You go to the doctor, but not everyone in the waiting room has the same illness. And some people aren't sick. Some people are just going for a checkup. We are like a doctor. Coming here doesn't imply that you have some sort of grave disease. It just means that you're coming for a checkup, you're coming for our opinion on your child, or that your child may need a little bit of medicine, maybe like a couple of sessions to get them where they want to go. Or they may need more long-term sessions to get them where they want to be. But in no way at all is speech therapy an indication that something is wrong with your child, that something happened, that you did anything, that this is an indication that they will have something for the rest of their lives. Some of the kids we meet will struggle with communication for the rest of their lives, and we're here for them until the end. And some of the kids won't need us for very long. But in no way is speech therapy any indication of anything negative having to do with your child. We help children communicate, regardless of any diagnosis or regardless of what teachers think. If a parent comes to me and says, I feel like my child needs to speak better, we will be there to help that child. So I hope that I have dispelled some myths. I hope that you're more comfortable at least coming to Speech Quest to seek some advice. Doesn't mean that you have to start. Speech therapists are always here for parents just to even answer questions. So if you have some questions after this video, please feel free to give me a call, 201-381-1607, and I'll be there to answer any questions that you have, and we can chat. So I hope that this video makes you feel better about going out and looking for advice about language development and your child. Have a great day. Bye, guys.